Y'all, I am obsessed with this. I mean, all the attachments are great. So if you want to have that nice massage brush, or if you want to use the hot air brush to get that nice little curl under, or you can use this incredible curler, I just think it is just giving like a nice blowout look. I mean, you can go to get a blowout professionally if you want, and you can spend 40 bucks, 50 bucks a pop plus tip every time, or you can do it yourself with this. Hey guys, Margeaux Jordan here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are having an amazing day so far, and my day just got even more amazing because you know that I am a hair fanatic. I love all the hair tools. Give me them all. I want to try them all, and I want to tell you which ones are worth it. Now, I am somebody who is very stingy about my spending, and I don't invest in something unless if it is legit. So, in case you haven't noticed, if you look at my channel, I have done a lot of reviews on this company, INGLAM, and they have so many hairstyling products. It is absolutely insane, and they have all been amazing so far. And so today, guess what? I've got something else from INGLAM. I'm gonna be trying out the newest and most exciting product on their line to date. It is the INGLAM 4-in-1 High Speed Mega Styler. Mega. This box, you can see it is packed, or it's pretty big, and that's because it is mega, and it's got a lot of stuff in here. Now, as you can tell, my hair is wet, so that means that this in here is a blow dryer, but not just a blow dryer, it is a mega styler. There's 4 options in just one styler, and you know, again, I travel a lot, and I don't have time to bring a blow dryer, a curling iron, a straightener, a comb, you know, all that stuff. It's all in one. Let's do it. Okay, I'm too excited about this. As per usual, this company always has the best packaging. So you pull it out, there's a nice little kind of see-through paper here. Oh my. Oh my. The INGLAM 4-in-1 High Speed Mega Air Styler comes with 4 different attachments. First, we have the hair dryer, which when you align the arrows, just clicks right in. Nice. And then to detach it, all you have to do is push the 2 buttons on the side, and it pops right out. Then we have the beloved paddle brush. Again, same thing, line up the arrows, click it on in. As you know, I love hot air brushes, and INGLAM did not forget to add this to their 4-in-1 attachments. So same thing, align those arrows and click it on in. Now this attachment right here is the auto absorption curler. This is what I'm most excited about. I'm gonna click this bad boy in, and gosh, they click in so easily, it's like magic. All right, next up, I'm going to test out all 4 of these attachments and let you know how much I love this product, and so far I'm loving it already. But before we get into that, I'm gonna click in my hair dryer and then talk about the little knobs right here. So these buttons control the heat level as well as the intensity level. Pretty self-explanatory. Now let's go ahead and try out all 4 of these attachments. Woo! So excited. Let's do it. This is the new generation Mega Air Styler, and it is coming out right now. It is a self-developed 110,000 RPM high-speed brushless motor. It generates some intense wind speed, and it is incredible. I mean, the power of this wind motor is 6 times higher than the ordinary one. This hairdryer gets your hair dried in 50 seconds. It has a really innovative combination of the high-speed brushless motor and the hot air brush set, and I mean, it satisfies all your needs. It's got controlled high-speed airflow. You can really leverage the Quinn effect to create a faster and more accurate curl. You know what I also love about this product is you can style your hair and get a full-blown, looking like you're going out, looking like you're putting yourself together hairstyle with airflow and not with such extreme heat. I mean, we are not putting, 400-degree irons on our hair. This is airflow, and it is so much better for your hair. What I also love about this company is every single product that they put out promises to protect your hair. They keep everything in mind, and this product is no exception. Because it has a built-in intelligent thermal sensor control system, it actually regulates air temperature 100 times to avoid the extreme heat just attacking your hair. Now, it also has a cold air setting and 2 temperature settings, 3 wind speed settings, and LED light gears that allow you to change the intensity much more intuitively. This hairstyler has 200 million high concentration negative ions to ensure that there is no static electricity in the air. No static, promise. This means frizz-free hair, smooth, shiny, and it keeps it set for a while too. The high-speed motor definitely gets the hair all the way to the roots, and that airflow is superb. And just so you know, if this fashionable silver gray color is not your color, there are 2 other fashionable colors that you are absolutely gonna love. There is a blue, there's like a pearl pink, and this one's my favorite personally, but check them out. You're gonna love your options, because why not be cute and stylish while you style your hair with the hair styler? Come on. It also has a super convenient storage design and is absolutely perfect for any sort of trips that you're taking, whether it's an overnight trip or a trip all the way to Europe. Oh, that's cool. Did you see that? That is really cool. It just grabs your hair and then makes this awesome curl. Oh, that's great. Let's do that again. Oh my gosh. This is the coolest attachment. So neat. I can't get over it. This is addicting. Let's do another. My gosh, I can't get over this thing. This is so cool. This is like a real reaction right now. I am obsessed. Y'all, I am obsessed with this. I mean, all the attachments are great. So if you want to have that nice massage brush, or if you want to use the hot air brush to get that nice little curl under, or you can use this incredible curler, I just think it is just giving like a nice blowout look. I mean, you can go to get a blowout professionally if you want, and you can spend 40 bucks, 50 bucks a pop plus tip every time, or you can do it yourself with this. Wow, 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 wow. The verdict is in. The INGLAM 4-in-1 high-speed mega air styler is now officially my new favorite hairstyler. It is 4-in-1, and like I said, I mean, every attachment is awesome. It serves its own purpose, but I especially love the curling attachment. It really gave such a nice blown out look that I can only get at the hair salon, and now I'm getting it at home. So if you are looking for a set to meet literally all of your hair needs, then the INGLAM 4-in-1 high-speed mega air styler is absolutely your best bet, hands down. You are going to love all of these attachments. I can't believe it. And I mean, so convenient. We have 4 different attachments, 1 hairstyler. All right, everybody, you know the deal. I have a link for you in the description below, and that is gonna get you a nice little percentage off. And usually it's a first come, first serve situation, so get down there, click that link, get yourself this INGLAM 4-in-1 high-speed mega air styler. You are not gonna regret it. You are absolutely not gonna regret it. Shout out to INGLAM for having me do this amazing review, and I am yet again, blown away, literally. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll catch you on the next one. INGLAM, glamour from within.